Hello everyone, this is Professor Raghavendra Adhyapak, KLS Kukri College of Commerce, Belagavi. So in today's class, we are going to study regarding the sources of financial information. Okay, so what it means, if you want to invest somewhere, so how to get the information regarding where to invest, how to invest, right? So you have to get some knowledge or idea regarding the investment, right? So what are the different sources to get the such idea or the knowledge regarding the investment are known as sources of financial information. Okay, so financial information is used by the investor to analyze the economy, various industries and companies position and working condition to make a sound investment decision. Okay, so sound investment is nothing but a good investment decision. Following are the different sources of information through which can an investor get the idea regarding the investment. Okay, so in that, first one is books. Okay, so there are different authors have written the different books regarding the investment. By going through those books, we can get the different ideas regarding investments. Okay, next is financial websites. Okay, so there are some websites which provide the financial information to the investors or the general public. For example, morningstar.com. Okay, that is also one of the websites which provide the financial information. That is particular financial website itself, and they work on those financial statements and all other things of the companies will be disclosed over there. So the financial data will be disclosed in that website. Okay, so that one is morningstar.com. Another one is moneycnn.com or your fundsindia.com. So these are the different websites where we can get the online news or information regarding the investment. Okay, so which is helpful for the investors. Next is newspapers and periodicals. Okay, so in case of newspapers, there are certain newspapers which covers the financial matters, or basically they provide the full-fledged financial information regarding the market or different companies. For example, Economic Times, okay, or Financial Express, Hindu Business Line. So these are the different newspapers which provide the information regarding the financial financial position of the companies or a market. And also there are some periodicals, or we can say that magazines, which are published monthly, quarterly or weekly, like Business India, Business Today, right, Economic Today or Economic Times. There are different magazines which are published where they give the certain information regarding the financial information by which an investor can use it before making any investment. Okay, next is financial reports and statements. So what these financial reports and statements? You already know that every company must and should it disclose its financial statement like P&L account, balance sheet, audit reports, etc., right? So they will publish those information in their company's websites. Okay, and companies will have their own prospectus. In there also they will disclose all the financial matters. Okay, so by going through these financial information with the help of reports and statement, also an investor get the idea whether to invest in that company or no. Correct. So this is about the financial reports and statements. Next is third party reports. Then what is mean of third party reports? The third party report is nothing but the informations or the bulletins which are published by the stock exchanges or RBI or SEBI or any other credit rating agencies, like different institutions which are involved in such financial matters. They will also issue the some what information or publish the some information to the public regarding the financial position of the market or the company, right? So with the help of these stock exchanges information or RBI information or credit rating agencies information, also investor can make the decision regarding the investment. Okay, so like that, these are the few sources. Apart from this also there may be a different sources we can get the information. So in case case of sources, basically we classified these are the main 5 sources of the information from where an investor can get the information of the company or the market condition by which he can take the good or a sound business or investment decision. Okay, so by going through these books or financial websites, newspapers or financial reports, okay, so by which he can get the different ideas, right? Where to invest, how to invest, how much is to invest, how which company is working good or which company is giving the high rate of interest, what is the position of the company, what is the profitability of the company, okay, so what is the market trend, which sector is growing, for which sector there is a future, for which sector products there is a demand in the future, like that different information of the an investor can get in these sources. Okay, so these are the different sources of financial information. So remaining part we will see in the next class.